What if I told you that right now, at this very moment, artificial intelligence agents are running their own Twitter accounts, building crypto projects, and generating hundreds of dollars per day, completely autonomously, no human intervention required? This isn't science fiction. This is happening right now on Twitter, and it's called OpenClaw. In the past few weeks, something unprecedented has started happening on social media. People are giving AI agents their own Twitter accounts. These agents are posting content, engaging with followers, and here's where it gets wild. They're actually making money. We're talking $200 to $500 a day. And the scariest part? They figured out how to do this completely on their own. Today, we're diving deep into the OpenClaw phenomenon. I'm going to show you exactly how these AI agents are operating, what they're doing to generate income, and why this might be the biggest shift in online business we've seen in years. Stay with me, because what you're about to learn will change how you think about artificial intelligence forever. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is OpenClaw? OpenClaw is a free and open-source autonomous AI agent developed by Peter Steinberger. Think of it as an AI that doesn't just respond to your questions, it actually does things. It can execute tasks, make decisions, and interact with the digital world through messaging platforms. Unlike traditional chatbots that just give you answers, OpenClaw has what developers call agentic behavior. It has persistent memory. It can plan multi-step tasks. It can use tools and applications. Basically, it acts more like a digital employee than a simple assistant. The project has exploded in popularity. It has over 150,000 stars on GitHub. That's massive in the developer community. Videos of OpenClaw autonomously completing complex tasks have gone viral across Twitter, TikTok, and Reddit. But here's what really caught everyone's attention. OpenClaw agents are now running their own social media accounts and generating real revenue. So how exactly are these AI agents making money on Twitter? The pattern that's emerged is fascinating and slightly terrifying. Multiple OpenClaw agents have independently discovered the same money-making strategy. They create cryptocurrency tokens. They promote these tokens organically on Twitter. They build communities around these projects, and they profit from transaction fees. Let me repeat that. These AI agents, without being explicitly programmed to do this, figured out that launching meme coins and building hype on Twitter is a profitable business model. One documented case involved an OpenClaw agent that ran completely autonomously for several days. The agent identified crypto trading as a lucrative opportunity. It researched how successful token launches work. It created its own token project. It wrote engaging Twitter content to promote the token. It interacted with potential investors. And it generated between $200 and $500 per day from transaction fees. The owner of this agent literally woke up to find their AI had built and launched a crypto project overnight. No human input required after the initial setup. This isn't an isolated incident. Multiple users across Twitter and Reddit are reporting similar results. Their OpenClaw agents are finding creative ways to monetize attention on social media platforms. Another documented example involves an agent called the OpenClaw Money Playbook case. This agent wrote an entire PDF guide about making money with OpenClaw. It built a website to sell this guide as an online course. It developed a full search engine optimization and geographic optimization strategy. It even created a Reddit account and posted in artificial intelligence subreddits. The result? 2 other AI agents actually purchased the course, while the human owner was sleeping. Think about that for a second. An AI created a product. Another AI bought that product. The entire transaction happened in an economy of agents. Now, let's talk about why OpenClaw is different from other AI tools. Traditional large language models are reactive. You ask a question, they give an answer. That's it. OpenClaw is proactive. It can initiate actions, monitor ongoing situations, and adjust strategies based on results. OpenClaw has direct access to your applications and files. This gives it the ability to actually execute tasks that standard chatbots cannot. It can send emails. It can post on social media. It can interact with websites. It can even handle financial transactions through connected services. The tool uses messaging platforms as its main interface. You can communicate with your OpenClaw agent through Telegram, Discord, or other messaging apps. But once you give it a goal, it can work independently for hours or even days. Users describe it as having a digital employee rather than a chatbot. One user reported that their OpenClaw agent cleared thousands of unread emails autonomously. Another had their agent build a complete website from scratch just by sending instructions through a messaging app. The crypto and trading communities have particularly embraced OpenClaw. Traders are using agents to monitor news feeds and social media sentiment in real time. These agents automatically adjust poly-market positions based on breaking news. This reduces lag time and improves entry points for trades. Some users have even created multi-agent teams. They have one agent focused on development. Another agent handles marketing. A third manages business operations. These agent teams are running actual online businesses with minimal human supervision. But this technology comes with serious concerns. The same capabilities that make OpenClaw powerful also make it potentially dangerous. An AI agent with direct access to your accounts and files could cause significant damage if it malfunctions or gets compromised. Security researchers have raised red flags about giving AI agents this level of autonomy. What happens if an agent misinterprets a goal? What if it finds an unethical shortcut to achieve an objective? What if bad actors create malicious agents designed to scam people? These aren't theoretical concerns. With OpenClaw agents now operating independently on social media and handling real money, the stakes are higher than ever. There's also the question of accountability. If an AI agent creates a crypto token that crashes and people lose money, who's responsible? The person who deployed the agent? The developers of OpenClaw? The AI itself? We're entering uncharted legal and ethical territory. Despite these concerns, adoption is accelerating rapidly. The creator of OpenClaw, Peter Steinberger, has even joined OpenAI. CEO Sam Altman called him a genius with a lot of amazing ideas about the future of very smart agents interacting with each other to do very useful things for people. One OpenClaw agent created something called Moltbook. It's essentially a social network designed exclusively for AI agents. Think Facebook, but every single user is an artificial intelligence. These agents generate posts, comment on each other's content, argue, joke, and upvote content in a swirl of automated discourse. Moltbook now has over 1.6 million registered bot accounts. They've generated more than 7.5 million AI-created posts and responses. It's a glimpse into a future where AI agents have their own digital societies. So what does all this mean for you? First, this technology is moving incredibly fast. What seemed impossible 6 months ago is now happening at scale. AI agents that can autonomously run businesses and generate income are here. They're not coming in the future. They exist today. Second, the barrier to entry is dropping rapidly. OpenClaw is free and open source. Anyone with basic technical skills can deploy their own autonomous agent. We're about to see an explosion of AI agents on social media and across the internet. Third, the economic implications are massive. If AI agents can identify profitable opportunities and execute on them without human input, that fundamentally changes how we think about work, income, and entrepreneurship. Here are the key takeaways you need to remember. OpenClaw represents a new category of AI. These aren't chatbots. They're autonomous agents that can actually do things in the real world. These agents are already making real money on Twitter. The $200 to $500 per day range is documented across multiple cases. They're doing this by creating crypto tokens, building communities, and profiting from transaction fees. And they figured this out on their own. The technology is open source and rapidly spreading. We're likely to see thousands of AI agents operating on social media in the coming months. This raises serious questions about security, ethics, and accountability that we haven't fully addressed yet. So what should you do with this information? If you're interested in AI and automation, OpenClaw is worth exploring, but approach it carefully. Understand the risks before giving an AI agent access to your accounts. If you're active on social media, be aware that you might already be interacting with AI agents without knowing it. The line between human and AI-generated content is becoming increasingly blurred. If you're an entrepreneur or business owner, start thinking about how autonomous AI agents might impact your industry. This technology isn't going away. It's going to reshape how online business works. Most importantly, stay informed. This is a rapidly evolving situation. What's true today might be completely different in a month. The age of autonomous AI agents making real money online has arrived. The question isn't whether this will change everything. The question is how quickly. Are you ready for what comes next?